my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and welcome to another Amazon haul video. So in this haul, you're gonna see some amazing winter boot collection from Amazon that you need to have in your collection this winter, which are all affordable and some little bit not so affordable. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so since you guys asked me, and I'm here with winter boot collection video, which are all from Amazon. So yes guys, starting with my personal favorite, this is the boot that I have with me, guys. I have already used it and you can see that I absolutely love this one. It's black in color, and then you can see that इसमें कोई zip नहीं है. You can see that it is just a simple Chelsea boot that we have. It has this knee length, not knee length, it has this ankle length, and it has little bit of heel right here. You can see that, guys. I just absolutely love this one because like really comfortable first of all, and then it is worth it, guys. I'm in size 4 UK and I just absolutely love it, guys. It has this little bit of stretchable material here, you know, which is very helpful while you're wearing it. So I just absolutely love this one, and you know that black can never go wrong. So yes guys, this is the first item that I have with me, and for this it cost me 1599 rupees. It was in offer, that's why थोड़ा सा मुझे कम पड़ा है, but price इधर भी उधर भी हो सकता है. So don't expect it to be 1500, इससे ऊपर भी जा सकता है. So yeah, this is the first one. Okay, so another boot that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da! Guys, this lace up boot right here. You can see that, and I know that it gives me more of a rock kind of vibe, but trust me, when you wear it, will go with anything if you can style it, okay? Especially with skirts, it will go so good. It can go with anything. Can you believe me? I can wear this with my traditional outfit as well. It will make you look very, you know, like sassy kind of girl, but I absolutely love the vibe of it, because though it's not my vibe, I'm more into heels boot, but trust me, this is so comfortable and at the same time super stylish. And again, it is an ankle boot, and you can see that it has this lace. It looks complicated, but it is not. But you know why? Because there is a zip as well. So आप zip से simple you open the zip and then आप इसे ही पहन लो, because आपको ये खोलना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, which is the best part, okay? And again, I'm in size 4, okay? मेरा size ही 4 है, guys. What to do? So yeah, this is the second item that I have with me, and for this it cost me 799 rupees. Can you believe me? 799 में you are getting this lace of boot, which is super comfortable, which looks very stylish, and you can style this in multiple ways. Yes guys, this is the second item that I have with me in this haul. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. This item is super common because it is really comfortable and it goes with anything, not just with anything, within any season, I mean, okay? So the item that I'm talking about is this chunky loafers right here, guys. These loafers are so much on trend. At first मुझे ना ये इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया था, but later on when I, you know, like bought myself one and then I styled it, like it is super comfortable and it goes with everything, okay? And आपको ना ये ना पूरा ऐसा calf length का socks के साथ, it looks so good. You can style this in half pant, like trousers, like skirts, dress, pants, jeans, like whatever, guys, just name it and it will go with anything. It's just that you need to have the confidence to carry it well, okay? Otherwise आपको थोड़ा सा uncomfortable feel होगा, आपको लगेगा कि मैं क्या पहन रही हूँ, but trust me, it will make you look so stylish. It will help you look effortlessly stylish. That is how I like to mention this pair of shoes as, okay? Yes guys, this is the pair that I have with me, and it has this little bit of design going on right here, and then इसका थोड़ा सा heel है, you can see that. And again, I'm in size 4, and for this one it just cost me 699 rupees, and I think in 699 it is a steal deal, okay? So yeah, this is another cute item that I have with me in this haul. Okay, so this is the last item that I have with me. ये ही मैंने सिर्फ unbox नहीं किया था, and this is not like, you know, proper like winter collection, but it is the winter collection. I'll show you why it is, okay? Let's unbox this together. Okay. Ta-da! You know why I'm showing this in winter collection? Because we do attend lots of weddings like during winters, because we know that wedding सिर्फ winter के टाइम में ज़्यादा होता है. मेरे प्लेस में तो ज़्यादा winter के टाइम में होता है. पता नहीं आप लोगों का क्या है? Please comment down below. And yes guys, the item that I'm talking about is, ta-da! this heels guys, this heel, because we know that winter में इतना ज़्यादा शादी होता है ना. मेरे पास सिर्फ ऐसा ही है, एक है, बट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट स्टाइल है आगे से, वो थोड़ा पुराना हो चुका है. अभी मुझे एक नया रिस्टॉक करना था तो मैंने ये ले लिया. You can see that, right? It's in like, you know, I love this Cinderella heel going on right here. So pretty guys, and it looks very heavy but it is not, which is the best part. Okay, and I'm in size 4. It has this rubber material going on. ये प्लास्टिक ये वाला रबर मटेरियल है, and then थोड़ा सा वो का डिजाइन है. And then I love this heel guy. It has a small block heel which is like look like a crystal heel, but like so cute heel, you can see that. And I'm in size 4. Okay, so yeah, this is the pair that I have with me since I am sewing this in winter collection, knowing the fact that I have attended so many weddings and I'm yet to attend so many weddings. Because of that I decided to show this in winter collection. So I know that आपको भी कुछ heel तो चाहिए होगा, so there are like different sizes available, you can go and check it out, and different designs are also available, you can go and check it out. So yes guys, this is the last item that I have with me in this haul, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, so yeah, this is the last item that I have with me, and for this one it cost me 899 rupees, and for this 800 it looks sturdy, it looks stylish, and I just absolutely love it. So yes guys, this is the last item that I have with me in this haul. So yes guys, do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.